Early American currency went through several stages of development during the colonial and post-revolutionary history of the United States. Since there were few coins minted in the 13 colonies that later became the United States, foreign coins like the Spanish dollar were widely circulated. Colonial governments, at times, issued paper money to facilitate economic activities. During the American Revolution, the colonies became independent states. Freed from the British-imposed monetary regulations, the states began to issue paper money to pay for military expenses. The Continental Congress also issued paper money during the Revolution known as Continental currency in order to fund the war effort. Both state and continental currency depreciated rapidly, becoming in effect worthless by the end of the war until the Coinage Act of April 2, 1792, were the official US dollar appearance.